A vibrant animated globe spins, surrounded by floating currency symbols, as the screen displays. Forex trading for beginners. Everything you need to know. A friendly voice chimes in. A friendly voice introduces Forex as the foreign exchange market. A split screen displays mirrored fortunes as the narrator states, profit is made by trading currencies at the right time. The virtual classroom comes alive with animated terms, a digital blackboard illuminating the essentials of Forex trading. A digital screen displays a demo trading platform with the words, use a demo account. The narrator explains, a demo account helps in learning the system without risking real money. A digital brain throbs with shifting emotions. Words flash on the screen. Be careful with emotions. The narrator warns, emotional trading is a dangerous game. Patience and a solid strategy are your greatest assets. In a security simulation, a cartoon shield guards a stack of animated money. Words of wisdom echo. Protecting your investments is paramount. A voice calls out, utilize tools like stop loss and take profit to mitigate risk and secure your gains. Animated books and videos fill the screen, symbolizing continuous learning and knowledge acquisition. The narrator's voice echoes, stay updated with the changing Forex market through various resources.